Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this bubbly. I've done a review on the lime flavored. I've never had this one. This is strawberry. The lime one was alright, has a hint of lime, but this one is strawberry, and the ingredients are actually right here, if you guys want to read it. Well, that's just the refund. Ingredients right here. Carbonated water, natural flavor. So, no sugar, no nothing in there except a little bit of salt. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. There you go. It has a really good strawberry aroma, and it's really fragrant. Like once you open it, you can smell it. Quite good. I like it more than the lime for sure. Yeah, and it almost has like a subtle sweet taste, but it's not really sweet. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.